Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Patrick Muhammad and I'm here going to give some arguments about a motion. This house will block ex-corruptors from running in legislative election. Honorable judges and audience, this is the Prime Minister of the House, and this house, which means Indonesia government, will block ex-corruptors from running in legislative election. Before start, the speaker will declare the definition first. Block, which means not allow. Ex-corruptor means someone who has committed acts of corruption and has been convicted of his actions. And corruption is an act of public officials, both politicians and civil servants, as well as other parties involved in such as action who unreasonably and illegally abuse the public trust that is authorized to them for unilateral gain. While legislative election is the general election of members of People's Representative Council, Regional Representative Council, and Regional People's Representative Council. In order to find the best leader in Indonesia, I believe that Indonesia government would block ex-corruptor from running in legislative election. Why? Because in order to find the best leader, we must look for the people who are really good and have never been caught in the slightest case, especially corruption. If we choose people who are not good to be used as the leaders, it will have a bad impact on the people who are led, especially us as the people who choose them. Conversely, if we choose good people to be the leaders, it will have good impact on the people that being led. For example, the goals of the people that being led are achieved, or the people being led will gain prosperity when led by the good people. In addition, if people who have been corrupted are allowed participate in legislative elections, is to it will not provide a deterrent effect for other corrupt actors, and also the reason why the Indonesia government would block ex-corruptors from running legislative election is to maintain the good name of the political parties. If, if political parties nominate ex-corruptor, then it will give a bad image for the political party that nominates the ex-corruptors. And from now on, to argue to argue the reliability and credibility of the House, the Speaker will provide some evidence. The evidence like the region of Kudus Tamzil, who was involved in corruption case twice. He was once arrested for corruption in Kudus in the Kudus Education Infrastructure and Advice Aid Fund for the 2004 fiscal year. In 2015, Tamzil was released from prison and participated in the legislative election as the region of Kudus in 2018 and was elected. And in 2019, he was again entangled in the alleged case of buying and selling positions within the Kudus Regency government. Therefore, this House is agree if would block ex-corruptor from running legislative election. That's all about my arguments about the motion. This House would block ex-corruptors from running legislative election. If there are any mistaken, I would like to say sorry. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.